Hello and welcome. My name is Oliver Walkie, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple cucumber cocktail. Now all the ingredients you're going to need is a sparkling wine, a gin, cucumber and simple syrup. So let's get started. First of all, simple syrup is quite easy to make. You need to have hot boiling water, then add in some sugar, about a teaspoon and a half. I've decided to infuse the simple syrup with cucumber to add to that cucumber taste. So this is about 30 mils here in the glass. Now we're going to want to go for the gin. Now this is Harrison gin. Now I chose this gin because it has cucumber aromas and flavours in it. Now you're going to want about 10 mils of this. Now the idea for this cocktail is to make it cucumbery but not overpowering. We want the sparkling wine to shine through, but the cucumber still to have a prominent feature. Now we need the sparkling wine, and let's go for the Valentino. This is an Italian sparkling wine. Now in this article I'm going to be making the same cocktail twice. Now, the reason for this is because I'm going to be doing one with this Italian sparkling wine and the second one with the Vipava Slovenian sparkling wine, to see how the same cocktail can taste different with two different sparkling wines. Now this one I have here is a winner of highly recommended in the summer days category. That's a nice pot right there. And this one is a highly recommended in the oaky and toasty category. Now we're going to want to pour in about half a glass full of sparkling wine. Then we're going to want some cucumber for a nice little garnish. Now we cut off a couple of slices. One to go nicely in there, and then one to go on the side. Now, join me in just a second when I'm going to be tasting this cocktail with these two sparkling wines.